Welcome to Batak. Hezbollah's leader, Hassan Nasrallah, has been confirmed killed in an Israeli airstrike in Beirut, marking a significant escalation in the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hezbollah. Nasrallah, who led the group for over 3 decades, was targeted in a precision airstrike on Hezbollah's underground headquarters. Several other senior Hezbollah leaders, including Southern Front Commander Ali Karki, were also killed in the attack. Nasrallah's death has sparked widespread mourning in Lebanon and among Hezbollah's allies, with Iran declaring 5 days of mourning. Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu hailed the assassination as a critical achievement, but warned of potential retaliation from Hezbollah and Iran. Hassan Nasrallah, the longtime leader of Hezbollah, was confirmed killed in a precise Israeli airstrike on 28 September 2024. The attack targeted Hezbollah's underground headquarters in the Dahieh suburb of Beirut using advanced bunker-buster bombs. This is one of Israel's most significant targeted assassinations in recent years, as Nasrallah had been a key figure in the Middle East, leading Hezbollah for over 3 decades. The airstrike also killed senior Hezbollah commanders, including Ali Karki, who was responsible for the group's southern front, and Nasrallah's daughter, Zainab. The strike has intensified the already volatile situation in the region, with Hezbollah promising continued resistance and Iran vowing retaliation. Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei called Nasrallah the flag-bearer of resistance, announcing 5 days of national mourning. This escalation comes amid heightened tensions since October 2023, when Hamas, Hezbollah's ally, launched attacks on Israel. Hezbollah responded with cross-border rocket fire from Lebanon, leading to ongoing hostilities. Israel has been systematically targeting Hezbollah leaders, and Nasrallah's assassination is expected to have profound implications for the region's power dynamics, with concerns over possible retaliatory attacks from Hezbollah and Iran. The Times of Israel. Netanyahu, Israel's prime minister, emphasized that this assassination was vital for Israeli security and warned Iran against any retaliation, stating, "There is no place in Iran or the Middle East that Israel's long arm cannot reach." The Israeli military also reported that the strike was part of broader efforts to reduce Hezbollah's capabilities and prevent further rocket attacks on northern Israel. Hassan Nasrallah, born on 31 August 1960, in Borj Hammoud, a suburb of Beirut, was the Secretary General of Hezbollah, a Lebanese Shiite Islamist political and military organization. Nasrallah rose to prominence in 1992 after the assassination of his predecessor, Abbas al-Musawi, in an Israeli airstrike. Under Nasrallah's leadership, Hezbollah grew into a powerful political and militant force deeply involved in Lebanon's politics, society, and military operations. Nasrallah came from a modest Shiite family originally from the southern village of Bajourieh. He was drawn to politics and religion early, studying in the Shiite seminary in Najaf, Iraq, where he was influenced by prominent figures like Imam Musa al-Sadr, a key figure in Lebanese Shiite mobilization. He later joined Hezbollah in the 1980s during the Lebanese Civil War and the Israeli occupation of southern Lebanon. His leadership is marked by the 2006 Lebanon War, in which Hezbollah successfully resisted Israeli forces, increasing Nasrallah's popularity across the Arab world. Nasrallah was known for his charismatic leadership and fiery rhetoric against Israel and the West, as well as his ability to balance Hezbollah's military activities with its political role in Lebanon. He remained elusive, rarely making public appearances, often delivering speeches via video broadcasts from secret locations due to the constant threat of assassination by Israel. Under Nasrallah's leadership, Hezbollah became a major regional player backed by Iran and Syria. The group fought in various conflicts, including the Syrian civil war, where Hezbollah supported the Assad regime. Nasrallah maintained close ties with Iran, receiving financial and military support, while continuing to position Hezbollah as a defender of Lebanese sovereignty against Israel and a champion of the Palestinian cause. Despite his significant role in the Lebanese government, Nasrallah's stance against Israel and involvement in regional conflicts, especially Syria, polarized opinions both within Lebanon and internationally. His death in the recent Israeli airstrike marks a pivotal moment in the conflict between Hezbollah and Israel. Thank you for watching Behtak.